I'm going to show you my Welby German cuckoo clock. Yes, this is a Welby. Probably did not know it's a Welby. I checked on the back. The movement said Welby German movement. It's a Welby cuckoo clock. You probably didn't know. I'll tell you more history about it. It's a 1920s. It's a from the late teens to early 1920s vintage antique. These chains, these just saw me pull one. It's because it just cuckooed. If you see that ring up there, I don't think you'll see it. Cookmeister, I hope you enjoyed this because you have a cuckoo clock, but sadly I can't do any more videos of that one over there. That one's broken. It's done. But I'm still keeping it. See that little ring up there? That's to turn the cuckoo on and off. Yours might have that, but there's a clock there. So I can't climb way up there, but you can probably see it kind of inside the movement. So this is a quick video of. And this is for you, Vanilla Flare Productions. If you like cuckoo clocks, just leave a comment on this video. I'll see you in the next video.